What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to today's video. And as you already have watched, or maybe you haven't, previous videos, we just recently worked on a 2003 350Z with a Greddy setup, and I want to make a short video of a few dyno pulls with that car, just to see how much power it's going to make. And I'm sure you guys are curious who watched that video. So we end up taking that car over to Race Labs, and the guys down there were able to tune it. So I'm going to put in that video here shortly. That was obviously almost a half a day project to get the car tuned. It got the two-step, it got the crackle tune and all the good stuff. But I'm just going to put in a few dyno pulls with the final numbers that they were able to produce. And I just want to share that with you. Just I'm sure some of you are interested. And with that being said, right now we're actually working on 2006 350Z with basically the same setup. So the red one was a DE motor, and this one is a HR engine. So this one also has a twin turbo Greddy kit, and it will be also going to the dyno. So I'm kind of curious to see what the difference will be between the two different platforms. I know the engine is very similar, but both of them are completely stock motors. They're not built, it's just the bolt-ons, and it's almost identical to each other. So we'll do this video, and then once we up with the other 350Z on the dyno, we'll post that one later. But with that being said, let's play the video. Alright, so now you saw the video. The fourth pull I actually ended up missing, but the fourth pull, which was our final pull, this is our numbers that the car is basically came out with. So the max torque was 348.5 and the max power was 366.9. So that's where it's at. Obviously, like I mentioned before, got the two-step and all the fun stuff, a couple different maps. So now it should be a nice daily cruiser and weekend warrior. And customer ended up being very happy with it. The car performed very well. The chart looks nice. So we're stoked about this. And this is basically, if you're wondering, that's what the DE motor will make with the bolt-ons. It does have a full Greddy exhaust and also a high flow cats. Now the car that we are going to be doing next is basically exact same setup, except same Greddy full exhaust, but it has a high flow, it has test pipes in it, so no cats on this one. So that'll be the only difference between the DE and HR and the exhaust vise. Other than that, it is identical to the T, so I'm very curious to see what the difference will be. But with that being said, guys, this is a short video. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.